Hi my loves, what's up? Welcome to this vlog. And guys, I was filming and NEPA took the light. Although my man shaking. So I was filming and NEPA took the light. I am so sweaty right now. I'm getting hot. But I love this look so much. I love this look. You know, my hair contents are not, they're not on me. Zero level. We take it higher and higher and higher. But I am glad that I was already done. Like I was just freestyling in front of the camera and they took the light. So I'm glad. But I didn't take pictures, but it's something I can take from the videos I made. I'll just screenshot from the videos because I was intentional about the style I was making in the videos, the posts and all of that, because I was like, I don't think I want to start posting for pictures. Let me just make video and screenshots. So this content was a success. So I'm glad everything came out well. The makeup, the hair, everything came out as planned. I didn't even know my hair is now longer than this. The first time I did this style, I didn't make a tutorial, so I just like, let me recreate it, and now my hair is now longer than that time. So guys, I love my look. I love it. I love it so much. I am really hot now. I wanted to wear this makeup for a YouTube video, but I think the makeup has to go, or I would just leave it on till night. My makeup would stay. And but I want to cook. It doesn't feel like clothes actually. My makeup is usually light. So I want to cook. I'm just going to leave it till night if I can. Then I would continue filming. I want to film a YouTube video, sit down YouTube video and all of that. And yeah, guys, are you feeling my look? Like, are you feeling my look? I am feeling it. I am feeling it so much. I'm so excited to be back to creating air content, and I'm taking it to another level, not just basic air content anymore. We're doing beauty full time. Beauty. Like everything about my air content would be inclusive of beauty. Like you can see this makeup. It's makeup. Okay. Okay. So guys, I would see you when I see you in the next clip. I need to rest now. I need to charge up my phone. My phone is low, and I don't think I want to scatter arrange this place. Sorry, it is scattered already because of the makeup stuff and everything. So I don't think I want to arrange it yet because I will still film at night. So let me just leave everything. Gosh, I'm really, really hot. I am so hot. So I'll see you guys later when I see you. Okay. Getting to work. Let's test this mic at work. Let's test this mic. It's working now. It's charged. Everything. Everything. I'm testing this mic for my colleague. She just got her mic, so she said I should help her test it out. That she's getting a feedback. She's not understanding, so I'm testing it out. It's okay now. I'm saying it's okay. Let me first play this clip and hear the feedback, she said. Okay. I love what's up Friday morning today. So I've been busy with work. I decided to come to you guys now that I can take a break. I want to show you the stuff that I got last night, my new slippers, palm slippers, or whatever we would call it. I saw the styles on Pinterest and I sent the pictures to the guy and he made it for me. So let's see it. This is the first one, brown. I had to choose it in brown because I feel like it goes with any color. I don't have to start thinking what do I wear, what do I combine with it. That's why I returned the other one he made because he made it in white and green. I have a white already. I don't want another white, and I green. It will be selecting. I don't want, so I decided to make this. This is what this one looks like. It's actually so cute. It looks simple, classy, cute. The leather is nice, his work is neat, everything, the finishing is great and all, and it fits me nicely. I like this one. Yeah, do we love it? So let me show you guys the second one. The second one is black, of course. You know me. You know me. This is it. I love this one so very much. I love it. Guys, can you see? I love it so much. This is the black one. This black one fits so perfect. Like it is just perfect. Just perfect. The style is nice and everything. And it was after I saw this one, I'm like, oh, the green he made wasn't so bad. I wanted to pay for it, but it was like no longer available. So I have black. I would have loved the green as well. After I saw the black, I'm like, oh, that green is not bad after all. But this is what it is. I love it. I love my nail slips actually. These butters, they're in trouble because me, I will wear something. Once I like it, I will wear and wear and wear and wear and wear. I know I am not the only one. If you're like that, let me know in the comment section. So these are the things that I got recently. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going to work tomorrow. I go to work Thursdays and Saturdays. It's not light yet. I want to film today. I want to create content today, as I said earlier on, and hopefully these people would turn on the lights soon so that I can get to work. But before then, I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. I hope you did enjoy it. Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, invite somebody to this channel, and I will see you in the next clip, which might be the next clip after this one or in the next vlog. Till then, bye.